How to use top affordable car insurance plans properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most drivers think that choosing an affordable car insurance plan is just about picking the cheapest monthly premium. The surprising truth is, beginners often make mistakes that cost them big when an accident happens. The first mistake is focusing only on price. While low premiums are tempting, they often come with high deductibles, limited coverage, or hidden exclusions. Always check liability limits, collision, and comprehensive coverage before committing. Another common error is not comparing multiple providers. Even the top-rated affordable plans vary widely in coverage options, discounts, and customer service. Use comparison tools to evaluate at least 3 or 4 options to find the best combination of price and protection. Many people also overlook discounts. Safe driver discounts, bundling policies, and low-mileage incentives can significantly reduce your premium. Failing to apply these often means paying more than necessary. A surprising mistake is ignoring the insurer's claims support. Cheap plans are useless if claims are delayed or mishandled. Check reviews and customer service ratings to ensure smooth claims processing. Finally, beginners often forget to review their plan annually. Life changes, driving history updates, and policy adjustments can affect rates. Reassessing your plan every year ensures you keep the best value. To properly use top affordable car insurance plans, focus on coverage, compare multiple providers, apply available discounts, research claims support, and review annually. Avoiding these mistakes can save you money while keeping you fully protected on the road.